What is happening, party people? This is Brett Jackson Boogie's Retirement, Happiness and Retirement channel coming at you. Today I'm going to talk to you about, I know a lot of you are probably retired and doing the YouTube thing. I'm going to talk to you guys about how to handle negative comments on your YouTube channels. And I'm going to give you a real life example if you wait to the end of my video here. But the number one piece of advice I would give you is to use negative comments to your advantage. Now, what do I mean by that? Number one, make content. If somebody makes a negative comment, make content. That's exactly what I'm doing right here. I'm taking somebody's negative comment that I got the other day that kind of made me feel a little bad, but I'm flipping it around to the positive and using it as material for my YouTube channel. That's the number one thing I would tell you. Number two is always respond to comments and respond in a nice way. I'm going to give you the example. Let me give you the example that happened to me the other day. I put out a video. The title of the video was the first song I ever sang at my first ever gig. So, my new band that I'm in, London Swinging, had our first gig back in June, like June 18th or something like that. And I sang my first song, and just so happens a buddy of mine recorded it, so I made a YouTube video out of it. And this dude comes on my YouTube channel, and he makes a comment, and he says, "Let's keep it that way." In other words, it was my first ever song that I ever sang. Let's keep it that way, insinuating that he doesn't think I should sing anymore. So I responded to him. I said, "Thank you for your comment. I appreciate your comment." And then I said, "Well, you'll get your wish because, by definition, that will always be my first ever gig and the first ever song that I ever sang on my first ever gig. So you got your wish. It's always going to be my first gig and it's always going to be the first song. So you got your wish." Then I followed up with him and I said, "If what you actually mean is that you think I shouldn't sing anymore, well, it's too late because my new band that I'm in, London Swinging, we're getting gigs all over town." See, I kind of flipped it into a positive there, and basically I wasn't being a jerk or anything, but I kind of flipped it around on him. So always respond to comments, whether they're negative or not. Use the negative comments to your advantage and make content from those comments. A lot of people make a lot of content from comments that are made on their previous content. So that's what I got for today. If you like my material, please hit subscribe or go to the next video. Peace out, and thank you so much for watching Brett Jackson Boogie's Happiness and Retirement channel.